Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone X8b. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch-hole magic capsule display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 93.7% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 50 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 7.2 screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cryo 265 Gold plus 1.9 GHz. Quad-core Cryo 265 Silver powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G chipset, paired with Adreno 610. GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB of onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.1 by 74.55 by 6.78 mm, and it weighs around 166 grams. The color options: glamorous green, titanium silver, midnight black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4500 mAh battery, with 35-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Type-C headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X8b has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 55,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 59,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 64,999 Pakistani rupees, and starts at around $213, and in Malaysia starts at 999 Malaysian ringgit. And in Saudi Arabia starts at 799 Saudi Riyal. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor X8b smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.